If you were needing instructions on how to install the ink cartridges on the Brother MFC J4335DW, then stay tuned, you won't want to miss this video. Hey, what's going on? The Printer Guy here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the ink cartridges on this Brother printer. Now you do have an ink vestment tank system, and that means that your ink cartridges are going to be feeding into that tank, but you do need to install the ink cartridges first before that process happens. So what you want to do is open the door that is at the bottom right corner. That is the door that will give you access to the ink cartridge compartment, and from here we can actually start opening up the ink cartridges that we have, taking off any plastic or covering that it may have, and begin the installation. So you're holding it this way. You want to make sure that it's facing you when you're installing, and you're just placing it back in there and pushing it in place. Pushing it in place should lock it, and to release it, there's a tab at the top left corner of the ink cartridge on the black ink, and it's in the middle for the rest of the colors. Now it's the same process for the rest of the colors. Now there's the color pattern that you'll need to follow on the door of the ink cartridge compartment. You do want to make sure that you are installing the correct color in the correct compartment, because if not, then the printer won't allow you to print anyways. And so that color pattern at the bottom is going to help you out. Now, if you are doing a replacement, replacing an old ink cartridge with a new one, you would open that ink compartment door. You would click on the tab of the color that you want to remove, and then you would just place in that new ink color and throw away the old cartridge. Very simple, very easy. I hope these instructions were simple and easy and made it a lot easier for you to install the ink cartridges if you were having trouble. If this video ended up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.